Let's take a look at beta exercise 31.08, question 4, A, B, and C. So here they are. So it says an editor is placing advertisements on the pages of a magazine. She records the number of advertisements per page, and here she goes. So here we've got 19 pages with 0, with no adverts. We've got 31 pages with 1, 15 pages with 2, 7 pages with 3 adverts, 10 pages with 4, and 2 pages with 5. Gosh, it must be a really boring magazine for those 2 pages. All they are adverts. But on a whole lot, there's a lot of good content possibly, or at least not adverts. So that's probably quite a useful thing to know. So let's have a look and see what else we got here. How many pages are there in the magazine? Well, the number of pages, we can just add up those now. So, and if we add them all up, we're going to get 19 and 31, 15 and 7 and plus 10 and 2 is going to be 84. So we're going to add these together, and the sum, the total, equals 84. 84 pages. Oops. I'll put 84 pages. There we are. All right. So then it says, so the answer there is 84. 84 pages. All right. Use a calculator to work out the mean number of advertisements per page. So all we have to do then is say, well, we've got, and we can just do this quickly, we've got 19 times 0 is 0. 1 times 31, we've got 31. 2 lots of 15 is 30. 3 sevens are 21. 4 are 40. And 2 fives is 10. So all we have to do then is add up all of this lot here and divide it by 84. And that would be the mean number. So let's go ahead and do that. So we've got, let's have a look. So 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 132. So we're going to have 132 advertisements total. Yeah. So we've got 132 advertisements, and we're going to divide that by the number of pages. So it's advertisements per page. So divide that by 84. And, oh, sorry, you can't see that. Sorry, and that equals, let's have a look. So I've got 84 here, sorry, 132. Oops, that's not 132. 132 divided by 84. Here we go. And that's going to be a 1.5714. I'm just going to call it 1.57 ads per page. Put ads per page. And what I'll do here also, I'll put 2dp, yeah? Because it's not exact, yeah? It's actually like 1.5714, blah, blah, blah. All right, the next bit, though, it says use answers in parts A and B to work out the number of advertisements in the magazine. Well, we know the number of advertisements in the magazine. We just added them together. So we just went 1 times that, 2 times that, 3 times that, and we created them all, and we found the total of that was, in fact, 132. So the total number of advertisements is 132. Or you could do it the other way around. You could say, well, the average is 1.57. And if we multiply the average by the number of pages, so which is 84, and then we can say, well, that times that is going to be 132. Let's actually see that it does. So we've got 1.57. Well, if we take the whole thing and we multiply it by 84, we should get back to where we were, which is going to be 132. So 132. Notice I kept in all the other DPs, though, while I was doing that. And I'll put 132 adverts. And that's how I would go ahead and solve beta exercise 31.08 for A, B, C, and hopefully that's useful to you.